Any alignment in CorelDRAW, applying alignment CorelDRAW is done under Object menu. Come to firstly you have to know that there's something called horizontal. Horizontal means, so to denote it, H starts with horizontal. Horizontal means the line that starts from right to left. Can you see a line passed through H? So the line that starts from the left to right or right to left is called horizontal. Understanding these basics will make you understand alignment very well. So there's another vertical alignment, which is V. The V denotes vertical. Can you see that V is facing up? So any line that starts from the top to bottom or bottom to top is called vertical. So this is the basics. So let's go dive in. We'll be learning top alignment, left alignment, and others. F4. Can you see these top alignments? All the objects are aligned top. Can you see these two objects? Shape and rectangle. The rectangle and the square. Left alignment, can you see it? They are all left aligned. Right alignment. Center. We have center alignment horizontally centered. We still have vertically centered. Can you see it straight like this? So let's dive in. Bottom alignment. So this is the last one. We're applying it here after understanding the basics. So here, to click it now, to apply it, click on this object. We want to align to another object, which is this name. Click on it. Then we'll go down shift on our keyboard and click on the object we want to align it to. So this is how it works. Shift will join them together. So come to object menu. On the menu bar, come to align and distribute. Let's start with left alignment. Can you see it? Left. Can you see it? It's aligned left now. So the next one, click on it, hold shift and keyboard, click on the object you want to align to. Object, and you see right alignment going to the right. Click on this, the object you want to align, hold shift on your keyboard, the object you want to align to. Then click on align and distribute. Top alignment, can you see it? Align top, can you see it? The shortcut is T. Can you see it? Hold down shift, click on this, hold down shift and click on the object you want to align it to. Align and distribute. Bottom alignment, can you see B? The shortcut is B. Click on this, hold down shift, click on object you want to align it to. Object, align and distribute, center horizontally. Can you see it will be like this? This to be in the center horizontally. Yeah. Can you see it? It's already center horizontal. So click on this object, click on what you want to align it to. Move shift to join them, align and distribute. Vertically align. Can you see? This is how it's done. Watch more of this video on your screen and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. You're welcome.